Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I am memory planning for the week of the 15th through the 21st of August in my A5 wide cloud planner. I am using a kit from Two Little Bees. This one is the Summer Storm one, I believe. If that's not the correct name, I will put it on the screen somewhere. So this is how I did the bottom washi. I did not get the full box kit. I picked up the journaling kit. So yeah, and like some deco sheets. So this is how I did the bottom washi, and I used a foiled washi from Sadie Stickers, and then on the freebie from Paper Muse Craft, I had some seahorses, seashells, and starfish. So for the date cover area, I am using the torn washi and then some dividers from Sadie Stickers. I also decided to add some of the bigger deco pieces in the date cover area as well. I see that it's now in right now. I saw Shantae Plans and Gathered Plans do that recently. Who else did I see put the deco up there? I don't know. I seen a lot of people doing it, and it's now a trend, and I really liked it. So I also added some of the florals. And y'all, I don't have my nails done right now because I've been doing a lot of hair lately. So I don't like to get my nails done and then have to rip them off the next day. So I've either been not wearing any, or I've been putting on press-ons. The day of the week scripts are from Rose Gold Paper Co. I decided to not foil them because the full box that I have, it is in black as well, so I just went with that. My date squares are from Sadie Stickers. I picked them up from the $2 Tuesday when she did the bring back. So I'm realizing now that I forgot to add my monthly script, but it's okay, I'll go back and add it. So I added in the waves from Sadie Stickers, and then here is the quote box. Not all storms come to disrupt your life, some come to clear the path. So I really like that. This particular wave is from the Two Little Bees freebie. I can't remember if it was Two Little Bees or if it was Paper Muse Craft. It could be Paper Muse Craft. So for the sidebar, I decided to also add in the foiled florals at the bottom. I actually cut these off of a foiled washi script from Sadie Stickers. Added in some boxes and swatches to layer behind my fashion doll. Fashion doll is from Red Lyrics, and I actually need to pick up some more. I picked up 2 that I really wanted. Now I'm gonna go back and check. Again, I see a lot of shops coming out with fashion dolls, so they are definitely in right now. So like I said, I didn't have the full kit, but I did have the bigger deco pieces, so that kind of acted as like my full boxes, or just decorations, the main decorations for the kit. And I kind of just scattered that all around. I really love the hat. It says summer on it, and then the bathing suit definitely tied in with the week because we had a beach and a pool day, so that tied in. And then also it was a blanket, bicycle, I think like a post-it stamp, a dress, some shoes, just different pieces that I really liked throughout the kit. The only thing I wish I could change about the kit is just to add a little bit more of the tan color, because I felt like I ran out of the tan at the end. And then I did go back and add the foiled washi script from Sadie Stickers because it had the seashells and everything. So I don't have my planner in front of me, so I'm kind of just gonna hopefully remember what I put down. So on Monday, I wanted to mark that it was the boys' second week of school, and I just used a notepad from Alyssa's craft shop. I used this like ripped paper from the kit, and a girl from Planner Studio, just relaxing, to mark I think it was deep relaxation. I just took a nice shower really, and then I used the shower fizz from Lush, so that was really nice. And then I also did a little bit of pre-planning, so I wanted to mark that and use the pen cup from White Deer Stationery. And I also wanted to mark that I watched Hulu, and I was just finishing up The Motherland as well as Stitchers. Both shows were really good. I need to know when the other shows are coming back, because I'm like waiting and watching and waiting and watching, like the Grey's Anatomy, the 911, the Good Doctor, the Resident, what else? Chicago Fire, all of those things. I'm waiting for them to come back. Does anybody know when they start back, or if they're even gonna have another season? Because those are like my favorite shows. Anywho, moving on to Tuesday, I wanted to mark getting some coffee. Went to Starbucks. I've been really drinking like the Charlie's coffee is what they call it. It is cold brew with 3 caramels, 3 creams, 3 toasted almond. You don't need any sugar because all of that has sugar in it. And then I get caramel drizzle and cinnamon sugar topping. If you try that, let me know. It's really good to me. So I then washed the dishes, which I really hate, but I did go ahead and wash the dishes instead of putting them in the dishwasher, and also did a hot mop this day. And I used the character sticker from Sissysprintsco. I do PR for her shop. You can use code Quen15 to save 15% off. I do love her characters that she offers, and like all of the different hairstyles that you can choose from, different hairstyles and different skin tones. I really love that. So yeah, after doing a little bit of cleaning and tidying, we went to the airport to pick up my boyfriend's dad. It was his vacation, so he came down to visit us, which we normally do every year, but this year was just a little bit different. And then we also picked up the boys early from school. And I just love that emoji character. So cute. And I'm just adding in all of my waves and all of my little deco pieces. If you want to know where anything specific is, let me know. But the waves are from Sadie Stickers. I can tell you really quick. The birds are also from Sadie Stickers. And the dangles, everything is pretty much from Sadie Stickers. Except for the foiled florals. Those are from Letters to Apollo. And then the coffee script is from Vanilla Paper Co. No, the coffee script is from Sissysprintsco. And then the cleaning day script is from JK Creates Co. So on to Wednesday, I wanted to mark family day or family time. The script is from Willow Way Stickers. And then I also wanted to mark getting some gas because we filled up to go to Orlando. We filled up to go to Orlando, which is when we got in the pool. I'm kind of going ahead, but we gassed up to go to Orlando. The fuel script is from White Deer Stationery, and the foiled square is from Paper Muse Craft. And we just gassed up, and we basically spent the rest of that day in the pool once we got there. And we had some yummy dinner made by our cousin. It was some Spanish yumminess going on. We had steak on the grill and some Spanish rice, avocado. It was just really good. And we were in the pool, and I was like, we have to get the boys into like some swimming lessons, because neither of them know how to swim. However, baby is not fearful to the water, but my son is fearful to the water. Not sure why. I'm not sure if someone did something to him while he was in the water, but he is scared to be in the water. Like if someone tells him to like come over here, or you know, come play over here, he'll be afraid. He likes to stay by himself. So that was my first half. Moving on to the second half. So on Thursday, I just wanted to mark you know, getting the boys to school, and I used this little arch sticker, which I really like. I don't think I used them. I used one in the first half, so yes. I used the other one in the second half to mark you know, getting them off to school. And then later that day I did some reading, started Ugly Love, brought in some of that torn paper, and this is another character sticker from Sissysprintsco, adding in some dangles from Sadie's Stickers and all of the foil goodness and sparkles. And then later that night, we just had dinner on the grill. And I finished off this day with just some deco at the end of the column because there was not much else to write. We were really tired from the water. Not yesterday, but we were tired from the water on the previous day. So moving on to Friday. On Friday, I needed to go to get groceries, so I ran and got groceries from Walmart just to get some more breakfast foods that we needed. I used a little bag from White Deer Stationery, added in some more deco to fill in some space there because we didn't do too much on this day. We did do things, of course, however, we were just in one spot. We went to the Clearwater Beach, so that is where we spent most of the day. And then I wanted to also mark the migraine that started, that I told everyone about. I had a migraine for a very long time. And then I just added the undergarments to act as a bathing suit, and then the hurt face emoji character. It was in a D-stash from so after laundry I still had my migraine, so I ended up sleeping almost the rest of the day. When I did wake up, I finished Game of Thrones, and then Sunday I still had a migraine. So what did I do? I slept in some more. Like, that's the only thing that calms my headache down, so that's what I did. And then later that day I remembered that I had to pay my phone bill, so I just got up really quick and did that and probably went right back to sleep. So here is the ending. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Bye.